Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, folks. It's a windy one. I've got my microphones on me, they're a bit away, so I hope the audio's alright. I'm at Sheldon Country Park. This was a last minute decision this afternoon. It's quite windy, so spur of the moment I decided to drive up. Just going to get one or two planes landing, so as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe. I usually bring my bike and cycle to this spot. I wish I had done it. It was a fair old walk from the car park. I'm not going to be here too long, just get a few planes. So as it's windy, I like to see a bit of rock and roll as they land. So thanks for joining me, and we'll catch you in a bit. Scotland's airline, Logan Air, about to take off. We'll get a shot of that. Thunderbirds, I'll go. There she goes. It's not a plane. I just noticed I haven't got a battery on the Sony, so I should be able to get a couple of planes in. Here she comes. There she goes, steady as you go. You got EasyJet set on the tin. She goes. Steady as you go. Right. We're off. Great. The wind's dropped now. Happy holidays. Yeah, hi folks, hope you're enjoying the clip. So I'm just going to stay for one more. It's very windy. My Sony, I forgot to check their battery. I only have to charge it every few months, but it's a bit low. So I'm going to do one with the DJI Action. That's the plan anyway. So I'm going to hang around for a bit. But thanks for joining me anyway. I know one of my viewers mentioned about he comes up here a lot, and I was going to try and meet up, but so this was over to you, Philip. It was a last minute thing coming up here this afternoon. I've been sat at home and I was getting a bit fed up. Wind blowing, I weren't sure where to go, and I thought it'd be ideal time to come up to the airport. Anyway, I'll just give you a quick look round. Just see a train in the distance there. There's the runway, just there. Yeah, still waiting for the one to land. They're giving a wave out the window there. I've got some friends, probably one of my viewers, Air Baltic, so that's great. Decided to stay a little bit longer. That's right now. There's supposed to be a cargo one next. Just talking to a couple of chaps. They reckon they watch me channel around somewhere over there. Hi to them. I think this is a cargo plane, I think, so I've been told. Going down. Going down. Yeah, hi folks, well it's end of the plane spotting. That was good. I've done a couple of shots with the camera with the action sort of laid down, pointing up whether they're going to come out, and I filmed the one plane. Yeah, it was good. I'm going to have to come up again and I'll have to look at the arrivals and see what planes are coming in and what time. So this was just a bit of a last minute decision. I just wish I'd have brought my bike because it's a fair old walk from the car park. Luckily my knee's alright. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Got me out the house. So I end the video now. So as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe. Big thumbs up from me. And let's hope there's peace all around the world. We'll see you on the next one. Bye folks.